Hi, my name is Bill, and this is how I do it. Today I'm back working on my 2005 Buick Park Avenue. And today the issue that I'm addressing has to do with vibration and an obvious bad transaxle mount. Yeah, that's definitely a bad transaxle mount right there. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this bracket and inspect it, and I'm just gonna replace the mount itself. So the first thing I gotta do is take off these 3 bolts that's attached to the transmission and the bolt that's attached to the, it's a nut that's attached to the transaxle mount. And then I gotta go underneath, and it's an 18mm bolt underneath, and take that out. That way I can remove the transaxle mount. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna support the transmission with my jack. I already got my car up on ramps over here. So let's get started. Oh, that's all right. All right, now that we got that supported, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bracket. All right, I'm gonna go after the hardest bolt. It's the one on the bottom right. It's the hardest bolt. It looks like it's gonna be hard to get to. All right, one final one. Bolt at the top, and that's an 18mm. And I'm gonna use a whole bunch of extensions to get to this bolt here. It's an 18mm top of the transaxle mount. Oh wow, that nut's kind of stuck on there because it's the mount is broken. So, all right, so I got to get under here and get that 18mm off from under the bottom. Okay. And up under the vehicle, you'll see where the bottom bolt of that transaxle mount is, right through the frame right here. And all I gotta do is just get it off, and the mount should come out. Got that nut out. I'm gonna leave it under here. All right, I should be able to pull this whole mount out. Yeah. It came out with the whole thing because it's broken. Wow, look at that. So I gotta figure out a way to get this nut off of here. There's a wedge. A little bit to come off. Now I gotta wedge it some more in here. Gotta get a hammer ratchet. There it goes. All right, got that out of there. Now I can take this whole bracket off. Boom, look at that. Off of there. All right, save this for the new one. Let's look at the old one. Look at that, that's just broken. That mount wasn't working. That mount wasn't working. Then I gotta go under the bottom and put that nut back on. All right, now I'm getting ready to put this bracket back on. Little road test. I still got a little vibration, man. That means probably something with that tire. But the transmission mount was bad though. But it did fix the engine going farther back than it's supposed to. Sometimes when you hit the gas, I definitely felt the difference in that. So, still gotta find a vibration problem though.
song. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Sky. Okay, let's hear it.